Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and Crypto.com and the broader crypto markets and how this is a make or break moment, folks. For altcoins, for Bitcoin, as well as August and September are here. We are going down and the broader markets are turning down as well. But guys, I want to highlight two scenarios for you. One, where the US dollar and the traditional markets are strong and crypto isn't needed. And then two, one where crypto is the future and a couple reasons why, guys. Let's hop into it. If you like this content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, but let's get right into this one. So at a make or break moment, guys, looking at the overall market cap for crypto, I do believe that this yellow line is very, very key. Now, if we break down below $1 trillion, I would expect to see us potentially bounce down to this $768 billion threshold for crypto overall, which would lead to, in the entire crypto market from current prices, approximately a 27% correction from here. That is if we break above that or below that line at $1 trillion crypto market cap overall. But if we bounce off that line, then we could get as much as a 33% bounce off that line as we move towards March of 2024 in the Bitcoin halving and a bull market that should be coming right around then. Now, which way will we go, guys? Honestly, nobody can predict exactly how it will go, but we do know at some point moving towards March of 2024, this market will continue to move up. As for Bitcoin, its make or break moment specifically is at this $25,300 level. If we break down below that, we will likely test this $23,400 level right below that, get down to about $21,000, and then the low end of $20,000, which is at this point possible, folks. But here's the thing that I want to remind you. If you're not going with crypto, what are you using? You're using the traditional system where you write checks, use credit cards, you use the US dollar. Well, in America right now, according to Watcher Guru, at least 61% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. 61% of American, well over half the country, is currently surviving on paycheck to paycheck. Why? It's simple, guys, because the middle class is shrinking. The wages that we earn with the amount of inflation that the dollar has received, they're not balanced out right now. And we're in a serious issue where poverty levels are increasing. The lower class is getting bigger. The middle class is shrinking. And honestly, the upper class is just staying right where they are because the 1% is the 1% after all. Crypto presents the opportunity for the unbanked to get banked, for people to start moving away and opting out of the system and moving towards decentralized economies, peer-to-peer transactions on blockchain technology. Another example where the current system is failing is China's property giant Evergrande is filing for bankruptcy for protection in a Manhattan court. So one of the largest real estate developers out of China is actually filing for U.S. bankruptcy protection. So for those of you guys that think the U.S. is in bad shape, that is true. We are struggling. Inflation is not so good. The middle class is shrinking because jobs aren't what they used to be. That's for sure. But China, who people think is doing so well, is clearly in an issue as well. While their middle class is prospering, apparently they are struggling with, first, I think it's deflationary. I think their currency is right now so deflationary, which is a problem because you can't counter that with rate hikes. When you go to zero, you go to zero. That's just how that goes. But Chinese property giant Evergrande failing is massive negative news, not only for China, but for real estate companies and banks from across the globe, which then leads me back to what, guys? To cryptocurrency. Now, the reason that crypto is crashing right now is because broader markets are crashing as well. The S&P 500, as you can see, is down right now. But when you look at Bitcoin, guys, sure, it's down right now, but we still have a trend up and to the right. And, same with the S&P 500, guys. So no matter what the fears are, no matter what anybody says, make or break moment for a key level of support, and then you readjust, you zoom out. Is the thing that you believe in, is the thing you're investing in valuable? Then over time, maybe that's a good strategy. If it's not and you don't believe in the thing you're investing in, well, then you shouldn't be investing it in the first place. But guys, Bitcoin is not at a make or break moment. Might be at a make or break price level, but over time, guys, you see the story here. Chinese real estate giants are failing. The middle class is shrinking in the US, and the dollar is going down the dumps over time, guys. It is very apparent that Bitcoin is here to stay. It is a future currency of the world that I think everybody can start to latch onto over time. If you're here in the market and you're dollar cost averaging in the times where people are fearful and they're scared of those make or break moments, if you're dollar cost averaging in those times and you're buying the fear, I believe that you're putting yourself in the best position possible to be a future millionaire from these crypto markets and, just on the right foot in life, right? Because open-mindedness, dollar cost averaging when there's fear shows over time, guys. When you try and you try and you try, entrepreneurship is all about that. You could succeed if you do the research, if you do the work, and you take the time, guys. Time in the market beats timing the market. But heck, what a time to buy some Bitcoin, guys. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.